The JLab Go Sport Plus earbuds deliver clear, punchy sound with a secure, sweat-proof fit, perfect for workouts and daily use. Enjoy up to 10 hours of playtime plus extra power from the compact charging case. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the JLab Go Sport Plus earbuds, USB-C charging case, extra ear tips, and user manual. How to wear. Insert the earbuds into your ear canal and gently twist until they feel comfortable and secure. Then lift and adjust the ear hooks around your ears for a snug, stable fit. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. To charge the case, use the integrated USB cable and connect it to a computer or a 5-volt USB adapter. Make sure to use an adapter that does not exceed 5 volts. A blinking blue light indicates that the case is charging, and it will turn solid blue once it is fully charged. How to pair. Download the JLab app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. It allows you to manage settings, customize controls, adjust EQ, and update firmware. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your JLab earbuds. Take the earbuds out of the charging case and remove the stickers. Press and hold both touch sensors for 3 seconds to turn them on. The left earbud turns solid white, and the right earbud blinks blue and white, indicating they are ready to pair to your device. Turn on Bluetooth on your device and select JLab JBuds AirSport. A voice prompt saying Bluetooth connected, followed by solid white lights on both earbuds, will indicate that you are connected. Open the JLab app, allow permissions, and register your earbuds with your email. Go to the earbuds section, select Sport Plus, and open the case to connect. Make sure they're fully charged for a smooth setup. After pairing, enable Be Aware mode and choose between EQ presets or customize your sound. Smart features? Enjoy up to 9 hours of playtime on a single charge, with over 35 hours total using the charging case. This means you can power through workouts, commutes, and daily use without constantly worrying about recharging. Designed with flexible ear hooks, these earbuds stay firmly in place during workouts, runs, or intense movement. They provide a snug, comfortable fit that won't slip, so you can stay focused without distractions. Lets in ambient sound so you can stay aware of your surroundings while listening to music. It's perfect for outdoor runs, commuting, or any time you need to hear what's happening around you. Use the JLab app to personalize your audio with EQ presets like Signature, Balanced, and Bass Boost, or create your own custom sound profile. It lets you fine-tune your listening experience exactly the way you like it. With an IP55 rating, these earbuds resist sweat, dust, and light rain, making them perfect for workouts, outdoor activities, or any day-to-day use without worrying about damage. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the JLab Go Sport Plus earbuds from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your JLab Go Sport Plus earbuds. See you at the next one.